Hello everyone, this is Sir Kent and today magkakaroon tayo ng fast drill patungkol sa ating mga idiomatic expressions na lumalabas sa ating Gen Ed English. Handa na ba? Let's start. Kapag po may lumabas na break the ice, ano pong meaning nun? To start a conversation in a social situation. Kapag naman piece of cake, it's very easy. Napakadali lang. No? How about under the weather? That's feeling sick. How about once in a blue moon? It's very rare. How about spill the beans? That's to reveal a secret. How about to hit the nail on the head? It's to say something exactly right. How about to burn the midnight oil? To study or work late at night. How about to cost an arm and a leg? It's very expensive. How about a blessing in disguise? No? It's about something good that seemed bad at first. How about bite the bullet? It's to face a difficult situation bravely. How about let the cat out of the bag? It's to reveal a secret accidentally. How about kill two birds with one stone? No? It's about accomplishing two things at once. How about go the extra mile? It's to make more effort than expected. How about in hot water? Its meaning is in trouble. How about on cloud 9 is extremely happy. How about hit the sack? It's go to bed. How about to pull someone's leg? Is to tease or joke with someone. How about beat around the bush? It's avoid the main topic. How about the ball is in your court? It is your decision or responsibility. Kapag naman po cut corners, no, do something in the easy or cheapest way. How about break a leg? Napaka-common ito. It's good luck. How about let's call it a day, no, to stop working for that certain day. How about to cry over spilled milk? No, it's to be upset about something that cannot be changed. How about add fuel to the fire? It's to make a bad situation worse. How about get out of hand? It's become uncontrollable. How about by the book? No, it means to follow rules strictly. Kapag naman back to square one, it's to start again from the beginning. Kapag naman through thick and thin, no, it means in good times and in bad times. Kapag naman drop in the bucket, no, a very small amount. At ito din, no, kapag tinanong or may nakita kayong phrase or idiomatic expression sa board exam na nakalagay in the nick of time, yung meaning lang po niyan is just at the last moment. Nakasabay ba? I hope na nakasabay tayo sapagkat yung ganitong mga idiomatic expression ay hindi talaga nawawala sa ating English, no? May it be in the general education or sa ating English majorship. Kapag hindi po kayo nakasabay, balik-balikan nyo lang po yung video. Dapat po ma-familiarize po ninyo yung ganitong mga idiomatic expressions. This is Sir Ken. God bless everyone.